Hi guys, John here, Mr. Forex Fire. And first of all, thank you for everybody that has been wishing me a very happy birthday. It is officially my birthday of the day. I am 44 years wiser. And today, the reason I did not do my Forex Fire weekly vlog yesterday was I was waiting for this little beauty to be delivered, which is the new iMac 4.5K 24-inch. And this has been recorded through its built-in webcam, the 1080p, I do believe the resolution's coming from. And what we're going to do, I'm just going to quickly go over, if I can do the video editing correctly, over to what it looks like. And then we will come back to the weekly vlog and what has happened. Okay, so over to the outlook of the iMac. Hi guys, John here, Forex Fire. This is just a quick segment cut over to the new computer that I got. Got a 1 terabyte built-in hard drive which has gone into the back of the port. Nice thin screen, no more than 10 mil I do believe, thick. 4.5K screen visually, absolutely amazing. I think there's about 500 nits of illumination on the backlight. There's the handsome fella there himself, Mr. Forex Fire. An all-round absolutely fantastic computer. I had one years ago, I think it was around about 2018, 2019, where it was obviously a lot bigger. Went over to Windows. I've now gone back to using a Mac. But yeah, very, very beautiful. And I don't know why all the reviews, everybody's complaining about the chin. It's iconic to Apple, to be fair, although I possibly would have liked to see some Apple logo engraved into the bottom as they usually do. But yep, that's it for the iMac screen. Back to me. Welcome back again. Thank you. I hope you like the look of the iMac there. It is a fantastic bit of kit. I still use my laptop for everyday trading, to be fair. But the purpose of the weekly vlog is just to document my journey and my personal experience to, one, give confidence in that with what other people are doing, sharing my experience. The struggle is real when it comes to trading Forex. There is no magic potion or magic strategy. It's all about just having the consistency, the discipline, and the mindset to keep going when the chips are down and staying. And I mean, you have to stay on the path. Okay, now what do I mean by that? We all make mistakes from time to time. Even I do. It's even the more seasonal people that I've surrounded myself with, they fall off the track from time to time. And it's just how you keep yourself focused and straightened on the path and the plan that you have set yourself. Okay. Now, I went off that track the other week. I've got 2 live trading accounts. Okay. One is both with funding talent. The first one I've had for many months, and it's paid on a bi-weekly process. Okay, that means every 2 weeks, if I've got that in profit, I get a percentage of that profit. Now, the percentage of the profit isn't massive. It just helps you build a certain amount out of that pot into an accumulation of a pot. And when that accumulation gets to a level, a self-sustained level, you then open up the whole amount that you've done, but you still get paid a bi-weekly bonus, which is fantastic. Now, I've decided, I've been trading for 4 years. I decided to go into the live challenge. Okay, we're going back a bit on this because I've been trading for 4 years. When I went into the 3rd year, I started seeing a high level of consistency and a high level of confidence within my approach to trading and what I do. So I started building a community around me and helping those in and around me that was having a little bit difficulty. Okay, and from that, we do have that Discord community, which if you're not part of, just drop your comment below. I'll get you inside that, or this will be on YouTube or my Facebook page. So click the link in the description. You'll be able to get an invite. So I started building that around what I did, because I wanted to keep myself not just with one trading buddy. I just wanted to keep myself with like-minded people. So with that being said, I started a brand new live challenge at the beginning of June. We missed out last month by breaking or violating the rule of the daily drawdown by about $25, which really did annoy me, because that live challenge, it was up, it was down, it was in the depths, we pulled it back, then it was right on the cusp of going into verification, and then I set a trade and I didn't factor in the daily drawdown correctly, and we violated it by $25 on the account. All was not lost, because I had a chat with the guys at Funding Talent. Even though it was a violation, it was a silly violation, I got another go, a crack of the whip at this month, okay, which was fantastic, and it was nice of them. And the update on that was, I set my very first trade of last week when I was lying in bed. I set up my FX book with the what I thought was the risk percentage and the pips and things like that. However, my silly mistake was I put on a 3% risk, which I didn't realize. I thought I was putting it in the pips. I put the lot size in. I should have known. Half asleep, half tired, and I was just excited to get back into the trade for this week. And boom, it tanked. It tanked big time. Not only that, I lost another trade. After that, I was on the verge of basically losing the live challenge within a couple of trades. And again, I'm open, I'm honest, I give a no bullshit approach. What I am is what I am. And I think that's what people relate to. And it's just an open and honest an assessment and analysis on what's happened to me during the course of my journey. Okay. So I said on last week's video that it was going to be a challenge. I wanted to dig deep. I wanted to get right down into it. And if I thought, if anything, over the years of learning what I'd done with trading, I could pull it back. I've got trust in the process that I do, trust in the plan that I've got, and trust in the process. Okay. Yes, we're going to get losing trades. It's going to happen, but they should not be happening on the extent of what I done the other week. Okay. Now, what I done was I was on the verge, really on the verge, hanging on that cliff by a fingernail of losing it. And it was just going to take the one trade to sort of kill the account. I was in second minds at the start of this week, whether just to sack it off and start it afresh, or try and stay true to my word and go for it and just focus myself in. Now, the plan and approach that I've done for to do that, so to keep my focus just boxed into where it needed to be and to keep my eye on the prize, the talent bonus one that I've got, structure-wise on that, I am not limited to a time frame on that account. And that's when I stepped back, I got out my trading chair, sat back and looked at the bigger picture. And I thought, let's reassess how we are going to take this challenge where the main focus was on, and step out of the box, look at it from a bigger aspect, and how I was going to attain being left in that challenge, so to speak. So I wrapped this one up, left it to one side, and I did not trade anything on the talent bonus one, which I get paid every 2 weeks anyway. My focus is to get the live challenge up and running and bring it back. Now, did I do it? Is the question you all want to know. Well, I did. Now, I'm going to share my screen. Let's go on my desktop. Just going to see if this is going to share. Open system preferences, Zoom. Just bear with me because this is a new computer. I've just got to allow a couple of things on here. Unlock that. Right, just see if I can share the screen now. There we are, guys. Now you should see my handsome face in the top corner. Again, let's open Google Chrome. It's a bit bigger. Again, cheers for the birthday wishes, everybody. Let's just open that up. Now this, again, as you can see on here, this top one is my bi-weekly fund and talent. So every month, this resets back to zero. As you can see, didn't get involved with it. This is the one where we started the week off and bang, we lost nearly $1,500 of this here, okay? Luckily for me, though, we were staying within the parameters of the maximum allowed loss, okay, and the maximum daily. However, the top one on here, taking that to one side, okay, and just saying, yeah, that is there no matter what. I don't need to worry about the bi-weekly. Take that out of the equation. Let's just focus on the plan of what we're doing, which is this bottom one here. And guys, again, if you watched last week's video, you'll have seen I was on the death's door with that particular trade. Now, this is for me a challenge and a half, because not only have I dug deep and taken this away from sort of completely dying out on me, this is just giving me a reignite of passion and fire right in that belly there to say, yeah, you can do this, John. Let's push on, let's drive on. And I'm hoping, seeing this sort of result at the moment, and it is a result for me, believe me, this is a result, simply because on this here, you can see the equity right the way down. We've drove the balance back up over the course of the last few days. Now, where we are sitting pretty on a little bit of profit. Not much. We are sitting on 0.3%. Now, going into next week, we are going to try and do a couple of things based upon the trading. And my general trading plan is like 1 to 5s and things like that. Okay, I'm just gonna see if I can make this a bit bigger on the screen too. So there. My general plan is I normally go to the 1 to 5s or take partials upon the structure on the way up. This time around, I'm going to be risking 1% going into next week on possibly going for a 1 to 3. That'll give me my 3%, and then risking 2% of that 3% on a second trade on a 1 to 3. If that comes in, that'll be 6%. Okay, that'll give us a pass and verification stage. Look, it sounds great on paper, but believe me, we have to find the quality setups. Now, if I use the planned and structured approach like I done going into this week, possibly leaving, and what I might do, I might leave my bi-weekly talent bonus one to one side again going into next week, and just concentrate, focus on the plan ahead, and just steer with the actual live challenge. Because after all, the live challenge, we are timed on, okay? We are timed on that there alone, okay? Going on the bi-weekly, there's no time limit at all. As long as I'm in profit by the end of the month, then there's a certain amount comes out of that and goes into the pool, and I can take a sort of percentage of the profit on that. But the aim has to be the live challenge on this. So again, fantastic end of the week, and more so fantastic because I'm now celebrating my birthday with the kids, with the family, having a cold beer, enjoying this, using my new lovely machine, this Mac. And again, anybody that wants to know anything that we do, not just from my aspect, I'm just a building block, a bridge that's helping you come on board, become part of our Discord community. Okay, and if you want to know more about that, there should be links, whether this is on Facebook, YouTube, or wherever you're seeing this. come inside and see what we do. It's free. Okay, I've got around about heading towards 280 members now in what I have as the free process. I want to get use, after all, confident, consistent, and then starting to see the profits. Okay, once you start seeing the profits, let's get on a phone call, let's have a chat, and then I can talk about what I'm doing on the other side. Okay, this isn't about just getting you in on that. This is about bringing you into what I do personally with the community around what I do. And then once we get you to a comfortable level of understanding, getting these confidence levels up and getting these consistencies there, then we can have that chat to seeing how we can progress you to start trading using other people's money, which is the funding account we're. So for years, I've always been told to compound your money, start with $100, start with $200. For me now, I've seen the bigger picture, cut all the middleman out, cut all the bullshit out with these platforms with softwares and tools. Come inside, see what we do, anchor yourself down, join in with the weekly Forex Fire homework sessions, engage with the community that I've got, okay, because we all learn from each other at the end of the day, and the strength in numbers and what we do together. Share your journey, because what's been one person's weakness has been another person's hurdle they've jumped over, and they've got the experience and knowledge what helped them get through that. Let's get you together, let's get you talking, let that person's knowledge and experience, because this isn't just about me. Just forget about, yeah, I've just built this community where it's helping people with certain issues and certain experiences and knowledge help the person next to them, okay? And that's what this has always been about for me, okay? So again, guys, thank you very much. I love everybody that comments, engages, likes, and shares. If someone has shared this content on their wall and you're seeing this handsome Geordie face on your screen right now, get back to the person that has shared this video, okay? Let's get you inside, joining the community where we are the community, where we just truly hold hands together and we help each other along the way to the path of success. Okay, guys. So again, thank you very much. Comment, like, share. Let me know what you think of this week's weekly vlog. And again, thank you to everybody for the birthday wishes. My inbox has absolutely exploded since the early hours of this morning. But I do genuinely appreciate everybody. Okay. So see you later. Catch you inside the Discord group. Bye.